This video is about insurance advisor job that you can do remotely, work from home. This is a full-time remote opportunity. Here the company has not asked for any kind of specific experience or qualification in the field of insurance. And the most important thing is that here you will not be working as a salesperson and you will not be doing any kind of sales pitch. This is basically a kind of insurance advisory or consultation kind of job where you will be consulting customers and providing them information related to the insurance products. Here, the company has mentioned that this is not a sales role and you won't be making cold calls, chasing sales quotas, or persuading anyone to buy something they don't need. Instead, you will be guiding, educating, and empowering people to make the best decisions for their unique situations. The company has mentioned we are not here to push products. Our advisors give honest, unbiased guidance. So here you will be consulting customers and providing information related to the insurance products. Now here 30 minutes consultations. So quality advice takes time. We offer our clients undivided attention. So here basically the company offers 30-minute consultation to each customers and then zero spam. We respect clients' time and privacy. You will only speak with people who have reached out to us. Here you will not be chasing the customers. In fact, the customer will be reaching out to you to know about the information related to the insurance product and guidelines, etc. And here, free consultations. So, no fees, no sales pressure, just genuine advice. So, here, the company doesn't ask for any kind of fees from the customer, and you will not be having any sales pressure. You will just be giving genuine advice to your customer. The company's name is Ditto, which is an insurance company. It is a part of Pinshot's family. And now let's check out about the more details. Life as a Ditto advisor. So no sales target. So you need to push yourself to do your best without the pressure of quotas. And we focus on quality, not numbers. No experience required. Here the company has mentioned that if you are new, if you're a fresher to insurance industry, so it is no problem. You can still apply, you can still learn, and the company offers comprehensive 2 months training to its candidates. Uh, so it will not be a problem if you are a fresher or if you are already having some experience in the field of insurance industry. No spam, no mis-selling. So here at Ditto, you will only be speaking with people who have booked appointments with us. No cold calls, no pushing products people don't need. This is a good thing that the company doesn't ask to its insurance advisors to do cold calling and push products to its customers. Instead, you will be dealing with customers who are genuinely interested in the products and they need some guidance and information related to the insurance products. The company has mentioned to thrive at Ditto, you will need a passion for helping people and a knack for making complex topics simple. Here is what matters most. So the most important thing is that you should have great communication skills because here you will be dealing with customers. You will be providing information uh, and guiding them. So you should be clear, empathetic, and comfortable talking to people from all walks of life and attention to detail. So you should have a strong attention to detail so that you can first understand the product, insurance product, and other information and guidelines, etc. And then you can deliver that information or that knowledge to your customers for their needs. Now, in the world of insurance, every detail counts. Now, here, language skills. You should be having confidence in English and knowing other languages is a plus. So the first thing is that you should be having strong communication skill in English language and tech savvy. You are comfortable using basic digital tools because this is a remote opportunity. So you will be working individually from home or anywhere using your own desktop, laptop, internet connection. So it is very important that you should be tech savvy and persuasive ability. So you guide people towards smart decisions with your influential skills. And apart from this, here choose your path, Team Falcon or Team Bliss. Editor, you will be advised to pick the advisory style that suits you best. You can select Team Falcon if you are someone who loves deep, meaningful conversations. Team Falcon is all about connecting with clients through one-on-one calls, offering them the time and space to ask questions and make confident decisions about their insurance needs. And as a Falcon, you will focus on in-depth client interactions. Okay, and you will have the opportunity to truly understand their unique situations and life problems, and accordingly, you will guide them towards the best solution or best insurance product. And the typical working hours would be from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. with plenty of breaks. Here, this role is ideal for those who thrive in a people-centric environment and who love explaining complex ideas in simple terms and enjoy building strong rapport over phone calls. So, if you're a natural communicator with great listening skills, Team Falcon will feel like home. So, if you are a great communicator and you are ready to communicate with people uh, over phone calls and you can understand their life situations and can provide them or guide them about the best solutions or best insurance product, you could choose Team Falcon. However, for Team Bliss, love the idea of quick, efficient conversation at your own pace. Team Bliss is perfect for those who thrive in a text-first environment. So offering expert advice and addressing client queries primarily over WhatsApp. So here at Team Bliss, first you will be addressing customers using WhatsApp text. Here you will be having two flexible shift options where you can work like 12 p.m. to 9 p.m. or 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. So it is up to you. You can choose either. And the most important thing is that you can have multiple breaks between this time. You can choose a schedule that best fits your lifestyle. And most of your day, 60 to 80% will be spent crafting clear, thoughtful responses to clients over WhatsApp, and with the rest 20 to 40% dedicated to handling occasional client calls if needed. This mix of chatting and calls keeps things dynamic and gives you the freedom to balance focus. Okay, so here you will be so here most of the time you will be responding your clients through WhatsApp and you will be texting them. However, you will be required to handle some like occasional calls if your client calls you. At that time only you will be required to talk over phone. Otherwise, most of the time you will be helping your customers or you will be texting your customers through WhatsApp. So this could be a mix of chatting and calls kind of situation. And here, if you have a knack for writing sharp, concise message and enjoy helping people in a flexible, fast-paced role, Team Bliss might be just okay. Team Bliss could be best fit for you. So whichever team you choose, you will play a vital role in making insurance accessible and easy to understand. Both tracks are essential to Ditto's. Now, if we talk about the benefits that the company offers to its insurance advisors, so this is a flexible work from home opportunity. You will have the flexibility to work either from office or home or any place that helps you. You will be getting health and term insurance, wellness and menstrual leave. So you can take time off for mental and physical well-being whenever you need, no questions asked. So you can take leaves anytime whenever you require. Now let's understand about the interview process. If you think that you could be a good fit for the position of insurance advisor at Ditto, you can check out the details. And first thing is you need to fill up the application form. And here's the application form. You can provide here your notice period and the current CTC that you have if you're already working. Otherwise, if you're a fresher, you can mention here that you are a fresher, and then if you are an employee referral, here are some of the questions that the company has asked to answer. Like, what is the importance of listening while speaking with clients in the context of insurance advisory? And here, Ditto doesn't believe in spam calling, but rather speaks only to customers who book calls with us. Why is this good? So here you can provide the answers that it is always good to respect time of your customers as well as the company. If a customer has already booked the appointment, he or she must be willing to get information related to the insurance product. However, in cases where the customer hasn't asked for the information, they might not be interested, and also it will be wasting the time and efforts of the company. So it is always good to first book calls and then reach out to the customers. The next question is, in not more than 4 sentences, write about an activity that you practice that has taught you some valuable life lessons. So here you can provide any kind of like life lessons. Do you have any pending criminal cases? Okay, so you can provide here. And upon submitting your application, you will receive an email requesting you to complete a video screening test. So here, you first need to fill up the application form, and then you will be getting an email that they have received your application, and you will be prompted to complete a video screening test. You will be recording a video, answering some of the simple questions, and kindly upload this video CV through a laptop or desktop. And in case you haven't received this email, we kindly suggest checking your spam folder. Okay, so you can also check your spam folder if you don't see any email after filling up the application form. And if you require any further assistance, please do not hesitate to contact us at this email ID. You will be having HR introductory call. You will be given task 1 and task 2, and then later you will be having final managerial round. So go ahead and check out all the details, and if you believe that you could be a good fit for the position of insurance advisory, so no matter if you're a fresher or experienced, you can check out the details. If you believe that you could be a good fit for the position of insurance advisory, remote working, you can apply for the job. Thank you for listening.